Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, you are going to learn on how to use your Taobao Chinese shopping app in English language. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your Taobao Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Taobao Chinese shopping app. After you open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app, you see that everything right here was written in Chinese language. So how you can simply translate all this into English language? I want to believe that everyone that have Taobao Chinese shopping app on their phone, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, you must have Alipay app installed successfully on that phone. So in this regard, we are going to make use of Alipay trick in order to translate all these Chinese character into English language. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do right here is to make sure I'm going to exit from my Taobao shopping app right here. I'm going to exit from here. Then I have to head over to my Alipay. So I'm going to click on Alipay right here. So in our Alipay, what we want to do next here is that we need to make sure we enable auto translation in our Alipay. And for that, we have to make sure we click on account right here. Then we make sure we click on the setting icon from the top. Then it's going to take us, so we go ahead and click on General. The next thing we want to do here is to make sure we go ahead and look for translation tool. Then we make sure we enable this icon, and at the same time, we scroll down right here and we make sure we choose English language by default. Once we do that, the next thing we want to do is to click on back, and back to the home page in Alipay. Next thing we want to do is to go to search right here. Then we can now type Taobao again. Then hit on search. Then we click on the first result right here, which is Taobao logo. Click on that. Then here you can see our translation tool on the screen right here. What you need to do is to tap on it, translate, allow it to translate in a few seconds, and click on OK. In a few seconds, everything here is going to be translated fully into English language, just like what you see right here. One great thing about this is that if you click on any of the product link right here, it's going to automatically change to. So right here, the more you scroll down, the more you see product detail, the product on the sales page right here. However, each time you are scrolling, you see everything automatically translate to English language right here. Now, you can also click on My right here. This allows you to go to your profile, and you can see everything right here in English language. You can have your receiving address right here. You can go to Buy section right here. You can also click on Shopping Cart right here. This will show you all the products you have in your cart. If you had any product in the cart, then you can click on this home icon right here to take you back to the home page right here. And then automatically, it's going to translate everything from Chinese to English language or whatever language you choose by default. Right here is that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation business using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.